We're playing train sim, and then we are going right, and then this is train sim setting a new improved trophy one, and then we have to go right and right and right and right all the way to find something new. Let's get on right. Check. Oh, what's that? It's Pesa 214M and Newag Impuls. New trains added to this game for the first time ever. Let's check Pesa 214M. Why is taking longer and longer time for this new train? Why did it look long time? Because it's a new train. Actually, take 1 minute. Why is it yet annoyed? This game. It says Pesa 214M. Thanks, 620 hours. It has its own horn sound, own bell sound. It cannot be double headed. It has its own cab interior. Doesn't have its coach interior. Has its own braking sound. Let's try another new train, which is Newag Impuls. Its maximum speed is 160. Let's make it move faster and faster. It has its own cab interior. It doesn't have its coach interior. Only the cab interior it has. It's really improved or not yet. And it has its also its. We'll discuss that later when we arrive at the station. It's new train. 6WE. It's a new train. This is a new train. Own braking sound. And from there, some decoupling features, which looks like this. And that's a texture. Decouple this train. This. And it's some trains that have been newly featured in this game. And really, let's enjoy the new trains in this game. And we'll say goodbye.